Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. So today I'm sharing with you this 20-piece Song Mike's makeup brush set, and it goes for $22.99. So Song Mike sent me this brush set to review, and it's absolutely gorgeous. The case alone is beautiful and the brushes are gorgeous. It's like a rose gold kind of color and it's just so pretty. So it's a 20-piece set. It's $22.99 like I mentioned, and I'm going to go ahead and demo some of these brushes for you while I apply my makeup. This would be perfect for a makeup artist just starting out. The brushes are good quality, or if you just need a new brush set, it's great that it comes with that roll-up case because it's easy to travel with. It doesn't take up a lot of space and you can have all your brushes with you. So here is their foundation brush. I don't really like to go by which brush is supposed to be for what application. I just use whatever works for me. So, but this is good for cream products because you don't want to use your fingers because your hands have natural oils and it will break down the makeup. So this will give you a better application. So I'm just going to demo for you guys while I apply this makeup with the brushes. So as you can see, they definitely pick up a lot of product, which is great. And you just tap off the excess and go from there. So all the information that you guys are going to need is going to be in my description bar. Remember, they're only $22.99 for the whole set. They are Amazon sellers. So if you have Prime on Amazon, you would get free 2-day shipping and only pay $22.99 for the complete set. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful and well-made set. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Remember, everything's going to be in the description bar, and I'll catch you guys really soon in the next video.